Yo you guys, it's Bedger here, and today we have a look at this mouse from Logitech, and as you can see it's not the average mouse that we have on this channel, and I thought we should give it a try. It has this little motion ball on the side, which is apparently really good for your hand, your wrist, because you don't have to move it as much around like you used to, and you can actually just use the ball to move the mouse around or the cursor on your screen. And as you can see, there's no limit to it. You can just keep going. There's this infinity. Um, kind of interesting, I have to say. Otherwise, it is pretty minimalistic, not really fancy looking. Interestingly enough, though, is the shape itself. It is more like a um, here ergomatic shape on the bottom. Nothing much going on. We got like Bluetooth functions and an on and off switch, and as you can see, it also runs on batteries, which is kind of interesting to see as well. At least in my opinion, most of the mouse these days are run by charging the mouse itself, so that's kind of interesting to see. And yeah, the ball is definitely the centerpiece here. Make it out of it what you want. It is made solidly. It feels pretty free to move. It's not moving by itself though, so there's no random movement on your screen. And yeah, give it a try, check it out. That's gonna be it for today. I'm Bedger, I'm out. Bye.